Right then, another video on manipulating objects that you've drawn. So on the screen, I've got a rather crude looking letter R. What I'm going to do in this video is mirror an object. So I'm going to select all of the items. It's not a polyline, so I'm going to have to select everything. I'm going to scroll along until I find the mirror command. So I'm going to click on mirror. Now what it wants to know now is it wants to know at what point do I want to mirror it about. So it's looking for a line. It doesn't have to be a line on the screen. There just has to be a line you can use. So I'm going to mirror it about itself. So I'm going to click on the bottom. I'm going to draw a line up to the top at 90 degrees. I'm going to click tap. We can see now we've mirrored the object, but the command isn't finished. It's wanting to know if you want to delete the original or the source objects. So I'm going to say yes in this case, just so you can see what's just happened. And you can see now we've got a mirrored version of our R letter, crude letter R that I've just drawn. I've done this mirror operation around a line in the object. It doesn't have to be that way, so let's do it again. Let's mirror it back and put it the other way around. So I'm going to click select. I need all of the objects. Select the mirror command. This time I'm going to draw a line to the right of the object. I'm going to click tap and I'm going to draw a line up. The length of this line isn't important, but the angle is. So I'm going to make sure that I've got 90 degrees as the angle, so I don't get a wonky letter. I'm going to click tick. I'm going to click enter. And then there we've got our R or reverse R mirrored back to the normal way around, but there's a gap because it's mirrored it about the line that we drew. I'm going to say erase the source object again, just yes, and it brings us back to something near where we started. The line can go at any angle, you can mirror about any point, so I'm going to select the object again just to show you this. Select mirror. I want to draw a line from the bottom instead this time. Tap and tap. Again, doesn't matter about the length of the line, but the angle is the important part. Tap. And then if I was to zoom out, I want to say no this time so you can see both objects. You can see now I've mirrored the R downwards, and this mirror could be in any direction multiple times. We could remove or retain the source object each time we do the